Hey there, Francis here. Today is another money making video, and we're going to be talking about how to basically go from $0 to $10,000 in monthly recurring revenue online, okay, doing some simple 4 things, okay. And these simple 4 things can literally help you get to hit your revenue goals, okay, in your business, whether you are doing affiliate marketing or you are selling your own product, okay. This actually works, okay. And this is actually what actually helps me when it comes to thinking of making money with affiliate marketing, because at some point I was selling low ticket products or selling low ticket products here and there, which actually works, which is also great, okay. And it can also give you some additional stream of income, okay, more of like money on the table you can just scrape down, all right. But as I start changing things a little bit, okay, I start seeing better results, or I start seeing higher results, okay, because I was providing more value, and as such I was getting more money, okay. So this particular video we're going to be looking at these 4 basic things that can actually help you get there, okay. And literally when you apply them, you can start seeing changes in your own business, okay. Whether it's your business is self-employed, or you're an entrepreneur, or you're an intrapreneur, or you work in a business, or whatever you do, literally, okay, this can actually work for you, okay. Whatever you do, even if you work for a job right now 9 to 5, or let's say you are doing your own thing, or you're doing a business or so on the internet and all of that, this can actually work for you. So stay tuned. My name is Francis 𝗂𝗿𝗏𝗄𝗏. If you're new to the channel, okay, make sure you're subscribed if you haven't subscribed, okay. On this channel I talk about marketing, entrepreneurship, and growth in general, okay. I like talking about growth, okay, in different areas: self-worth, love, happiness, okay, and how we can literally use that what we're learning in business to also better our personal lives, and also grow our revenue and everything in our lives, okay, to help us continue to grow. All right, so if you like content like this, I invite you to subscribe, because we talk about awesome contents like this. So with that being said, let's dive right into this, okay. So like I said, if you're an affiliate marketer, or you sell your own product, you have your own business, okay, this can also work for you, all right, okay. This covers everybody. All right, if you would like to know how you can literally make money on the internet in today's day and age using what currently works, okay, click the first link in the description of this video, okay. I'm going to be sharing with you what actually works. To get started, okay, with these 4 things, the first thing right here is pain, okay. If you understand this concept, if you understand these basic things, all right, it's not all about showing you what to do, okay. Everybody just wants to show me what to do in terms of how I'm going to make money on the internet, but there are some basic things you need to understand to enable you even make money on the internet, all right. I actually started out in terms of finding steps, okay, strategies to actually make money online. But if you don't understand some of these fundamentals, okay, it might be difficult for you. You might know how to do this, the technicalities of so many things, but in terms of making that money, okay, becomes difficult. Or you might be making the money, but it's not as much as what you want, okay. But if you want to be making big money, I mean big money, either you're an affiliate or you're selling your own product, okay, then pay very close attention, because this can actually help you, okay. It's not all about the technicalities. Technicalities can be hired, can be outsourced, okay. You can actually pay somebody to do that, all right. But if you don't understand some basic frameworks, it might take you a long time to actually get there. I know how far it took me, okay, and I don't want you to also be in that position. I don't want you to take years and months in terms of achieving certain things. But if you pay close attention and see, okay, these are some of the main things I need to know about, okay, that can actually help me scale faster, then you can start growing your business from there, all right. Very little people talk about this. They actually shared some of this information in mastermind, in private groups, in private classes, and all of that. That is where these informations like this are usually shared, okay. But I took the liberty to come out here and be sharing some of this valuable content with you, especially some of the things that some of the gurus or people who are making big bucks are actually talking online. But you can't actually diagnose it, okay, except if you know that, okay, I've been in the inner circles, I know what is being discussed, I know what are the frameworks that are being applied and what is currently working, okay. So when they are talking about it, you can actually know, okay, this is what this person is actually talking about, and you can follow that steps. So in this video, we're going to be looking at these 4 things you need to focus on, okay, to help you grow your business, okay, whether you are doing affiliate marketing or you're selling your own product, okay. The first thing right here is pain. Pain is one thing you need to consider. People have different pain points. There are people suffering from depression, okay, they need solution for that. There are people suffering in terms of making money on the internet. That's a pain, okay. There are people also suffering in terms of maybe their health, back pain and all of that, okay. So there's people also suffering in terms of, how would I call it, nutrition, or weight loss, or weight gain, okay. There are so many things out there. Some people are relationship, heartbreaks, different things are out there, okay. But you need to understand that these are all pains. Pains are one of the things you need to understand what pain is, just like they say you need to, just like fear, okay, if you understand what fear is, all right. and fear can be weaponized if you know how to weaponize it. That's how pain can also be weaponized in the space of business, in the line of business, basically. So if you understand what pain is, okay, and the different areas in which pains are affecting people, all right, now you need to be looking at how you can provide a solution to cure that pain. These are very, very simple things. I know we already know them. Some of us already know these things, but if you can understand this in the online space also, all right, you'll be growing a lot faster, okay? So pain is one thing we need to consider and look at. Where can I find pain? What kind of pain can I solve? All right, these are some of the things you want to be looking at. The next thing you want to be looking at, okay, which is a factor, something you need to focus on, okay, to help you grow and make $10,000 recurring every single month, okay. The second thing is you want to make sure that the market you're in have high purchasing power. The people you are serving can actually pay big bucks and they have this money, all right. You want to make sure that they have this money to spend, they have high purchasing power to solve that pain they are currently having, okay? And by doing this, it will enable you grow your business. It will enable you hit those numbers recurring every month, even if it's an affiliate, even if you run an affiliate, if you're an affiliate for a business or a company or whatever you're currently doing, okay? Affiliate marketing is one of the big ways to get started, and I talk about this a lot, okay? I talk about affiliate marketing in my previous videos. If you go to my channel, check all of my videos, you see I mostly talk about affiliate marketing, and it's one of the great ways to start. So if you're a newbie, you're trying to get started online, I recommend you go through the affiliate marketing route, because there you can make big bucks, okay, because you are not basically just referring people, all right? It's simple to do. Hey, this thing can actually solve your problem, and it's one way to actually provide solution to pains that people are currently having, okay? So you want to make sure that the market you are in, or the what you're focusing on, okay, is people who have high purchasing power, people who can buy some high ticket products and services, or people who can buy a product to solve the pain that they are currently having, okay? The next thing is easy to target. On the market you want to find yourself is, you want to make sure that that market is easy to target. You can just easily target people. Okay, these are where they are gathering, okay? In one of my previous videos, I also talk about this, about you want to make sure you find where people are gathering, okay? Some people might want to get started online, or some people might want to sell their products and services, and they keep advertising it on their Facebook profile, on their WhatsApp, and all of that, okay? And most of the people on their profiles are their friends and families. Their friends and families are not going to buy from them. I don't know if you've heard the saying that says a client will become a customer faster than a friend will become a client, okay? Your friends and families are most likely not going to buy from you because they don't have that pain you are providing, okay? So you need to go where people are hanging out. Where are these people? Where are they that I can put my product or my services in front of them to help me make sales, okay? That I can help them solve a problem, all right? The other day I was looking at some German courses. I was looking at learning some few German, whether I can pick some things, okay? I was able to pick Danke or the Danka, or whichever one it is, all right? And I went to Facebook and I saw Facebook groups or Reddit or different forums. I could see different groups, okay, pertaining this topic I was interested in, okay? So what you can basically do is go to groups. There are so many forums on the internet, okay? There are forums on Reddit. You can go to Discord groups, Facebook groups, and all of that, or Discord channels, I say groups. Discord channels. So there are so many groups on the internet you can literally go to, okay, and provide value to those people, because they are like a pool, like fishes in the river, a lot of them, okay, gathered in one particular place, all right, that are looking for solution. Okay, these people are in one place. They need that thing you are currently helping with. Some people are depressed. You see them in maybe group that actually encourages one another and all of that. Some people are maybe struggling from addiction. You can see them in a particular group. Okay, so you can go and meet them in that group and help them solve problems, okay, that you offer them the problem you're solving. That's literally it. Okay, not just posting on your social media, on your Facebook where you have your friends, or posting on your WhatsApp where you have people who don't even care about what you're currently offering. Okay, so you want to go where people are, okay, and the markets in which, once you focus on easy to target, okay, easy to target, you just ask yourself, where are these people? So you go there and target them, all right? That way you can be making your sales and all right? The next thing right here is growing, okay? You want to make sure that, or you want to make sure you're focusing on a growing market. You want to make sure that you are also growing, all right? And the offer you're also putting in front of people are things that actually help them or are being improved on every single day, okay? So you want to be in a growing market, and also what you want to focus on is make sure that whatever you're providing to people are also changing and also growing as well. Like, you are growing the lives of people, you are touching people's life, okay? And the number of people you're also touching are also growing every single time, okay? So when you help a particular person, you get testimonial from that person, or you get a good feedback from that person, okay? You can show that feedback to other people to also work with you, okay? And you continue to grow that way in your business. Okay, this video is actually similar to what we talked about in the previous video, where I laid down some of the few steps in which Jeremy, okay, in a group was able to use to actually sell $100,000, okay, and some of the frameworks in which it was used to actually achieve this. Okay. These are things that will continue to come up as long as we continue to talk about high ticket, okay, high ticket products, high ticket services, all right, to help us hit our target, our revenue target every single month and continue to grow from there. All right, so if you would like to learn more about this and you'd like to join my inner circle in terms of selling high ticket products, be it affiliate product or your personal product or service or a company you work for, whatever you're currently offering or selling, if you want to be selling high ticket in that, okay, click the link in the description of this video, okay, to join me, all right, in terms of growing and scaling high ticket products and services. All right, literally showing you step by step and holding you by the hand to literally sell and grow your business in terms of selling high ticket. Okay, so if you learn anything new in this particular video, this is a short one. I just wanted to throw this out here, okay, for you to basically learn from. All right, give this video a like, share with your friends, and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Until next time, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Stay strong.